This year's Atlantic hurricane season is forecast to be near normal compared to the historic average. One of the many factors influencing storm development is what's called El Nino. Meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees explains how this can impact the tropics.
The El Nino southern oscillation is one of the most important climate phenomena on Earth and has the ability to change atmospheric circulation, temperatures, and precipitation across the globe. Often, this influences tropical cyclones and tropical activity. During an El Nino event, the Pacific Ocean is warm and wet. Less vertical wind shear in this region results in more storms. However, the opposite is true for the Atlantic basin near the Carolinas. El Nino is associated with higher wind shear, which rips storms apart before they can strengthen. This typically means less storms form, and some years the storms that do form are weaker. The opposite of El Nino is La Niña. This is a cool and dry pattern in the Pacific, allowing for less storms and more wind shear. Again, the opposite is true in the Atlantic. Meteorologists dread La Niña events. Lower wind shear generally means a more active season with stronger and more frequent storms. There's also a neutral pattern referred to as La Nada. Even though this pattern does not enhance or diminish storm activity, some of the deadliest hurricanes have made landfall during this neutral period. Remember, it only takes one storm to make a season bad. The cycle of El Nino is just one of many forecast tools in our complicated atmosphere. Trust the WCNC Charlotte weather team to keep you weather aware all hurricane season long. For WCNC Charlotte, I'm meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees.
And be sure to subscribe to the WCNC Charlotte Weather IQ YouTube page. Just take out your phone, scan the QR code that just popped up right there. It'll take you right to where you can like and subscribe all that content.
So far, things were okay. We've had three storms, but couldn't get active.
Yeah, and that's the big thing is El Nino's likely a little bit later on in the summer to fully take hold. But for the tropics, as Brittany was saying, it's wind shear that is a hurricane's worst enemy because that kind of breaks it up. So some good news, but it could lead to some other storms.
Oh,
so
it's just one.
That's right.
That's true.
And we had one. We'll take a look at the tropics.